In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn old family pics into videos with Grok Imagine. Whether you've scanned a treasured print or have a digital snapshot, we'll use Grok's chat to bring it to life with simple, intuitive steps. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. A modern browser works best so images preview clearly. If you're asked to sign in, just do that as you normally would. Once the homepage loads, look for chat. That's the workspace where Grok Imagine can interpret your image and create a motion clip from it. Click Chat to open a new conversation. Inside the chat window, find the paperclip icon. This is the attachment button you'll use to bring your photo into the conversation. Click the paperclip, then choose Upload File. Your file picker will open. Navigate to the photo you want to animate, select it, and click Open. For best results, choose the highest resolution version you have. Clean scans with good lighting and clear faces generally produce the most natural movement. If your image is very small or blurry, consider using the sharpest copy available before uploading. With the photo attached, type your prompt in the message box. Think of the prompt as clear directions for the kind of video you want. Be specific about motion, mood, length, and any cinematic touches. For example, create a gentle 6-second video from this photo with subtle parallax, a slow push in toward the faces, and a soft, nostalgic feel. Keep expressions natural, avoid distortions, and maintain original colors. You can also guide the pacing like slow and steady camera movement, or the vibe like warm family memory. If there's text in the photo, you can request that it remain readable. If the background matters to the story, ask to keep it intact and lightly animated rather than heavily changed. Prompts that balance creativity with constraints usually work best. Tell Grok what to emphasize and what to avoid, especially around faces, hands, and edges where artifacts can appear. If you're planning to combine several clips later, you can mention a consistent duration, such as 5 to 8 seconds, to make editing easier. Once your prompt reflects your intent, you're set. Grok Imagine will use your instructions and the uploaded image to generate a short animated video. Save the result you like, and you'll have a shareable living moment made from a single still.